So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a social quest in a room by myself. Well, like, not by myself, but like, yeah. So, no players in the room. Yes, so as you can probably see and tell, I sped up the video a little to bring the time down a bit because it was really long. So I hope you like it. So I've been collecting mushrooms for a while, and so I have a bit over 75 right now. So yeah. Yeah. So we're doing pretty good here. I think it's really weird how like there's no people in the room and it's a social class, but it's like other people are collecting. So yeah. So I think this is where I'm going to stop the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.